I made a feel with Feel Guided DIY. If you're like me, you're always looking for its charger. You could have one of these wireless cell phone chargers, and hopefully you remember to step over the cord every time you get up. Or you find a charge cord, but it's the wrong end, it's not for your kind of phone. What if there was a secret spot on your desktop that every time you set your phone down, it would start charging? This desk has just the thing. Set it right there, and it's automatically charging. I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's dive in. So I removed the desktop. So I picked up on Amazon the Senio 10-watt fast charging wireless charge pad. Did some experimenting, and when we set it on there, it's charging. It's still charging at 1/4 of an inch thickness. Will it charge through 1/2 inch of thickness? Does not. So that tells me to set the router bit to have no more than 1/4 of an inch thickness on the desktop. I could make a jig and ride within that jig, but I'm pretty good, so I'm going to freehand it from the middle, work my way outward. You can see the outline for where the desktop was. We're going to have it right in this front corner. So I'll also need to make a channel for the wire, for the cord to come out. Can you see that? Then you set your router depth. If it goes any deeper, it goes through the top. So don't want that. Then we're going to start in the middle and work our way out. Then we're going to look through those vent holes. Now we stop and check it. How's our thickness? Not going through. Very good. We'll press on. Nice. Oh, it's a good fit, good snug fit. Now we're going to turn the whole thing over and test it. It's charging in that spot. Not charging there. Charging now. Now we reassemble the desk and we're charging. For more helpful home improvement tips like this one, click the image on your screen now.